Okay. Oh boy, here I go killing again. Now, right in the noggin. The fuck? You unbolt things and they're supposed to come out. Oh, fuck. Hey Siri! Hey Siri! Oh, for fuck's sake. That motor mount's fucking separated. Fuck. I don't have a contingency for this. Well, sure, let's continue on. It makes sense that they're broken. I was just kind of really hoping that they worked. Yeah, I gotta do one of these.
Different vehicle this time?
Yeah. It must seem like I don't do anything else, huh? Not sweet. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. We are so up and out. We are out. I'm too fucking tired for this. I can't do it. But I think we got enough. I think we'll be alright. Did it.